So, testing out the XOSS G. Gonna strap her on. Hold that for a second. Alright. So, make sure that we're synced. Looks like we're on. Hit record. Is it going? She's on. Alright, give her a rip. Like, testing the new shocks too, Lauren, so. Now this isn't a fresh battery, so. Oof. Did you get max speed on it?
No.
Okay, now give her a run. Give her a rip. Did you lose it? All right. So let's see. What was it? Max speed, 40 miles an hour. Yeah! That's awesome. I didn't think it was going to go that fast. That's pretty good. Average speed is 14. All right. That's awesome. You want to try the other one now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now for the EAT. Now this is a pretty much standard brush with a 1060 HobbyWing and a Dumbo. And I'll be right back getting the other one right. So this is the EAT14. I got the driver camera on. And it's on the max. So we'll see how good this one does. The WL, our upgraded WL, went 40. I'm hoping for 45 on this because this is the stock motor in ESC. But it's brushless. And this also has a slipper clutch in it, the LC Racing. Seems slow.
It does seem slow. The camera's probably weighing it down. I
bet you it's a battery. So, oh, I gotta hit record. It's not. It's not.
Yeah, it's
For some reason out in the park it wasn't getting a GPS signal. It's running now, so we're set to total speed. Oh, all right, That's recording. That's recording. All right. Now I got a feel on this battery shot, but we'll give her a go. It's also cold out. It's only 30 degrees, so. No more cogging though, is there?
No.
There's none at all. That slipper clutch is the key. Don't matter about all the rest of it. It is slow though. It's got to be the battery. Let's see where we got. Max is 21. Yeah, that's definitely not right. I don't think this is wrong. Let's put a new battery in her. All right, we should be back in action. Put a fresh battery in. It is cold, so I'm not sure how good these are. We zeroed her out. Let's see, the camera's still on. Yep. All right, give her another whirl. Whoa, that's a little different. A little more power.
Yeah.
Definitely battery was
Just
flat.
a little.
That's what I want to see. Oh, I'll get it. All right, looks like no permanent damage. All right, go ahead. Did you get up all the way? All right. Average is 26 this time, so. Well, it says the max is 20. Well, it might be. Seemed faster. Oh, we paused it.
That's why you paused it.
All right, go again. Zeroed out. Oh, nice little wheelie. All right, let's check her now. Max 27. So maybe we were wrong on the other one. All right, good enough for today. I think we got enough footage for me to make a video.
Got a good crash.
Yeah, we got a crash.